Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll unbox the latest mobile phone in Galaxy series M52 5G. Let's see the specifications on the box. There is nothing much mentioned here except the color of the phone. I see blue. This is a 8GB variant with 128 GB ROM. Okay, let's unbox the phone. Phone looks nice. I see blue color. 64 megapixel camera. Okay, let's see the box contents. They provided fast charger, also Type-C cable. SIM ejector pin and some documentation inside it. Now this is only unboxing, so I'll turn on the phone and let's see how it looks like. Our phone looks nice. Let's turn on the phone. Okay, this is the initial setup screen. Okay, end user license agreement. I'll go through it later. Privacy policy, diagnostic data. Okay, now let me add the network. Okay, network is connected. Let's click next. Now phone is checking for updates. Let's wait. Okay, now this is the latest option. It says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more from Lol Mobile. Let's do that later. Now you need to have a Google account, so sign in with your existing Google account. I will do that. It's almost done. Okay, you have options, backup to storage. If you want photos, app data to be backed up on Google Drive, please select that option. Allow scanning, other options are there. Accept. This is to protect your phone. You can use face recognition, unlock or fingerprint pattern, enter a PIN or a password. I'll do that later. Okay, this is Google Assistant. We can do that later. It's almost done. Click finish. Okay, it will recommend you few apps. You can download it by clicking continue. I'll do that later. Okay, this is the initial screen. There are a few preloaded apps. Netflix is installed, Spotify, Amazon, update all these apps. As I said, this is only unboxing video, so I'll make more videos on this phone after I use it for a while. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel and share my channel for more videos, for more unboxing and tech troubleshooting videos. Thank you.